Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then we'll proceed with how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After doing that, you are going to search for moving average. All right, so you click on this plus icon here, you search for your moving average. So the properties for the moving average, the period is 20, shift is 0, and the method is exponential applied to its close. All right, the level, we leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so once you add that, you're going to have this blue line on your main chart. Alright, now the next indicator we have there is the MACD, which is this one right here. So you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for your MACD. The properties, we have the fast EMA, which is 12, the slow EMA, which is 26, the MACD SMA, which is 9, the applied to its close. Alright, the level, we leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now on the style, you make the main, alright, this one right here, you make it the color of your background, alright, 1 pixel. The signal, this one right here, you make it color red, you make it 3 pixel or 2 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now the next indicator we have there is the moving average, this one right here. So you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon to add the moving average under the MACD. Okay, so once you click that, you search for your moving average. The properties for the moving average, you can see here that the period is 1, the shift is 0, method is exponential applied to its previous indicators data. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, that is it for the moving average. Now the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index. Okay, so you are going to still be clicking on this second plus icon, and then you search for your relative strength index. The period is 1, applied to its close. Alright, the levels, you make it 15, 85, and 50. Okay, the style, you make the color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, now the time frame, all time frame, the style, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one. Okay, quickly. Now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, which I've been giving out. Okay, it's a VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so far you can use that, you can open a position with your account, any account size, then you can grow that account with this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy for growing small account. Okay, so if you want this strategy, if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me, and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. And if you're also looking for mentorship, all right, how to trade the forex market profitably, I also offer mentorship, all right, services. Okay, so you message me with the same WhatsApp contact on the description of this video, and we'll discuss on that also. Okay, so that is that about that. Now, how does this particular strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, now the first condition before taking an entry with this strategy is that you want to wait for a spike in the market, because with this strategy we are going to be taking the ticks. All right, the small candle, this small candle here is what we are going to be taking from the market. Okay, we just need few of them and we exit. Okay, without getting caught by any spike. Okay, so the first condition is that you want to see a spike in the market. So once there is a spike, you are going to take note of your indicator window here. All right, now you see this blue and red line. You want to see that they are at the overbought level here. All right, the the overbought level. Once it gets to the overbought level, because we are on boom 1000 right now, so you are going to be doing the opposite on crash. If we are on crash, you'll be looking out for sell. You'll be looking out for the oversold level so that you can buy to the upside. But here on boom, we are going to be looking out for the overbought level here so that we sell to the downside. Okay, so now once it get this blue and red line gets to the overbought level, right, that is our first condition being met. Right, that doesn't mean you should go in for a sell yet. Okay, now once it gets to this level, you want to see the blue line crossing below the red. Right, so once you see this crossing on the indicator window, now you look up to your main chart like this. You take note of this area here. All right, now on the main chart, you want to see that price, this candlestick, crosses below the blue line. All right, so once price crosses below the blue line, now let's zoom in so that I'll show you something. Now you see this candlestick, so you see the candlestick that crossed below the blue line. Immediately a candlestick crosses below the blue line and closes successfully, like if it closes successfully below the blue line, the next candle that will be forming, you should go in for your sell. All right, now you pick that candle. All right, you start counting from that candle. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, after 5 candles, then you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. Once the condition is met and the candlestick crosses below the blue line, all right, immediately it crosses, you enter, you pick 5 candles, and then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. Okay, that is how the strategy works. It's a very powerful strategy and it works almost all the time. You can see same thing happened here, right? Same thing happened here. Immediately it gets to the overbought level, you wait for it to cross below the blue, you pick your 5 candles and you exit the market. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. That's how the strategy works. You can see here, you can see how it's working. You can see how it is. Pick 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to go and backtest the strategy very well. Backtest it for like a week. All right, or you can backtest it for like 100 times to the backside, or you can demo trade it for like a week. All right, so once you see that it's working for you and you are good with the strategy, then you can now deposit your hard-earned money into your account and start trading live with this strategy. But if you backtest it and you see that it's not working for you, you don't like it, then it's fine. You can go ahead and look for other strategies to use. Okay, so that's what I want to like tell you guys. Okay, so make sure you practice with it first before you can go in. All right, don't just take my words for it. Okay, so that is that about that, guys. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and please guys, give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it. Okay, it helps a lot. All right, so I think this is basically all I have for you guys in today's video. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.